Unraveling the Friendly, Hey Pal. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, Hey Pal. If you've ever been puzzled by these two simple words when put together, you're in the right place. Hey Pal consists of two words, hey and pal. 1. Hey is an informal greeting, much like hello or hi. It's often used to grab someone's attention or to greet someone in a friendly manner. 2. Pal is an informal term that refers to a friend or buddy. It's akin to other words like mate, buddy, or friend. Together, when someone says, "Hey pal," they're essentially saying, "Hello, friend." Understanding a phrase isn't just about its literal meaning but also knowing when and how it's used. 1. Informal settings. You're more likely to hear, "Hey pal," among friends, or in a relaxed atmosphere. It may not be suitable for formal settings or when addressing superiors. 2. Friendly tone. It's essential to use a friendly tone when saying, "Hey pal." Using a harsh or sarcastic tone can change its meaning entirely. 3. Gender neutral. Pal is a term that can be used irrespective of gender. Both men and women can be addressed as pal. Around the world, English is spoken in many countries and cultures. The phrase, "Hey pal," might be more common in some places than others. For instance, 1. North America, widely recognized and used. It's a friendly greeting. 2. UK, known and understood, though terms like mate might be more prevalent. 3. Other regions. Depending on the region, pal might be less common, but due to globalization and movies, many understand its meaning. It's always a good idea to gauge the other person's comfort with the term, especially if you're in a new cultural setting. There you have it. Now, whenever someone greets you with a cheerful, "Hey pal," you'll know they're simply saying hello in a friendly manner. We hope this explanation has shed light on this delightful phrase. Keep learning, and until next time, stay curious.